Good everyone, this is Solves and this is our next problem sa chapter na to. So, this is about braking. So, start tayo, sulat natin yung given. A level test track, so level siya, ibig sabihin wala tayong theta g kasi level yung surface natin. So, a level test track has a coefficient of road of adhesion of 0.80. So, that is mu equals 0.80. Tapos, and the car being tested has a coefficient of rolling friction that is approximated as 0.018. So FRL is equal to 0.018 for all speeds. The vehicle is tested and unloaded and achieves the theoretical minimum stop in 180 feet from brake application. So that is S is equal to 180 feet. The initial speed was 60 miles per hour. So V1 is equal to 60 miles per hour. Ignoring aerodynamic resistance, what is the unloaded braking efficiency? So RA is ignored. What is the unloaded braking efficiency to? Yan ang required natin, which is represented by NB. So tawagin ko lang siyang NB. So proceed tayo, convert natin yung values. Ito yung kailangan convert. So 180 feet times 0.3048, that is 54.864 meters. Tapos, tong 60 miles per hour, that is 60 times 1609.344 divided by 3,600. That is 26 pala, sorry. 26.8224 meters per second. So, proceed tayo. Hanapin natin yung NB. So, ang formula kapag RA or aerodynamic resistance is ignored, that is S is equal to gamma B times V1 squared minus V2 squared all over 2G times braking coefficient times mu plus FRL plus minus sine theta G. So, sabi dito is, nag-stop yung vehicle. So, ibig sabihin, V2 is equal to 0. Tapos, level naman yung vehicle. So, theta G is equal to 0. So, proceed tayo. I-input natin itong given na to sa uh, formula natin. So, S natin is 54.864 is equal to YV. That is 1.04 times V1 natin is 26.8224 squared all over 2 times 9.807 times NB, which is our unknown. Mu natin is 0.80 plus FRL, which is 0.018. So, input natin siya sa calculator. That would be equal to, so our NB would be equal to 0.85 or 85%. So, yan na yung final answer sa problem na to. Tapos na.